Hi, this video is guide how to add item in Firepos. First we go to setting. Select item on the top. Then click add button. First we select the category. Next we fill in the item code. Then key in item name. Key in unit price. For tax code STs have SST, NSTs don't have SST for your item. For SC code SCs have service charge, NSCs don't have service charge. You can also click load picture to add picture for your item. So congratulations, we complete all the step to add item. We can also click refresh to double check. Now you can see the item you added is showing at this page. Thanks for watching.